How to find Binance promo code. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to find Binance promo code. So first thing, just head over to your Binance application, and once you're inside here, just make sure you have logged into your account and simply click on this rewards hub section. Just tap on this rewards hub section, which is right above the favorites option. So once you're inside here, you can see there's an option called rewards shop. So just tap on this and you should be redirected to this page. And as you can see here, you should be seeing a lot of voucher code which will be available to you. If you have just opened your account for the first time, then it will be even more just like this, and you can simply claim all of these points from over here as a bonus points. So it don't appear to have a direct promo code, but you can use these instead. So another thing what you can do is you can also get a daily voucher or a daily check-in rewards, and you can just simply claim it from the daily check-in on this application. So there are also other third-party websites which will tell you about the promo code, but they are not reliable, so you have to rely on these types of check-ins and rewards. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.